It was 2 weeks after the day she turned 18, all dressed in white, going to the church that night. She had his box of letters in the passenger seat, 6 pants in a shoe, something borrowed, something blue. And when the church doors opened up while she pulled her veil down, trying to hide the tears, oh, she just couldn't believe it. She heard the trumpets from the military band, and the flowers fell out of her hand. Baby, why'd you leave me? Why'd you have to go? I was counting on forever. Now I'll never know. It's like I'm looking from a distance, standing in the background. Everybody saying he's not coming home now. I can't even breathe. This is just